So, hi dear Libra, this is Anjali Tarot. This is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. You can take it as messages or guidance or warnings or challenges or obstacles on this particular week. Okay, and want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing the course. Link is in description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can start by purchasing the masterclass. Again, the link is in the description and it has the power to change your life, this particular masterclass. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and book your slots accordingly. For any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. My team don't reply on Sundays, so please bear with us. Okay, let's see. 30th of December, we have the slowing down Libra. Slow down, relax, chill, take a break. Take a deep breath and release. Thank you. You gave me the chance to do that for myself as well. So thank you so much. I'm doing a lot of things at once and I forgot to breathe today. So this is for you and me both, Libra. Okay? So slow down, take a deep breath, relax. Everything is going to happen, even if you're not going to rush, even if you're not going to hurry. Of course, if this is something that you have to rush for, definitely do that. But after that, take a break, take a breath and slow down, relax. Okay, 31st we have the patience. Patience, my boy. Patience, my boy. Boy or girl. Libras. So you might be working on something from quite a long time now. Now you're getting impatient. Like, what the hell is happening? I'm working on this situation from this much long time. This is something that's going to take time, honey. It's going to be like a mother giving birth to a child. So this is something that you're working on like a mother. You're creating this situation, creating this whatever you're working on. It's going to take time. Hmm? And your mood is also going to shift according to the moon cycles, so make good use of that. 1st of January, we have the possibilities. On the 1st of January, you might feel like you are not able to get the chance or the possibility that you deserve in your life. Right now, it is the kind of not being able to find the light at the end of the tunnel. But you need to understand one point here. Even if the sun is going down in this particular picture, the sun is bound to come back up at some point of time. So you will be able to see the possibilities and whatever you are seeking for very, very soon. Do not lose hope. Second, we have change. Change is the only constant, and all we have to do is to flow with the change and accept the change, accept the reality of the situation. That only change is the reality. Everything, everyone is bound to change on this planet Earth and universe as well. So just go with the flow, accept the change, adapt with the changes, and keep on reminding yourself change is the only constant. Okay, that's very, very important for you guys. This mantra, change is the only constant, on the 2nd of January. Third, we have the Fool card. So with all of your love, with all of your innocence, start doing something that you feel you should be doing from quite a long time ago, and or you might not be having this courage of doing something that you feel you should do. So start doing whatever you feel is right for you. The universe got your back, but do not lose your innocence. You have to be you have to practice innocence. You have to be in this energy of in the real essence of your own self, and then the universe got your back and everything is going to be fine. Don't worry about it. Just start. I'm very scared of gym and instruments, machinery. I have hardly been to the gym for 2 days, twice or thrice, and then my accident happened. Never I tried that. So I will start Pilates very, very soon. Now we have the 4th of January, receptivity. The more you are going to be in the surrender mode, receptive mode, the more you will be able to get the answers to your questions or solutions to your problems very, very easily. All you have to do is to be in the receptive mode. The universe right now is in the giving mode to you, especially. So be in the receptive mode, be in the surrender mode, and just don't let your mind interfere between you and the universe, because you might get stupid ideas or crazy solutions that might not make sense to you. But that is the miracle that you have to feel on this day by being receptive and open to receive. Hmm. Fifth, we have the turning in. Okay. So a lot of people are going to give you suggestions or advices about something that you might be kind of stuck on or in. But the more you are going to be in this energy of turning in and listening to your own inner voice, the more you will be able to find a successful solution to the problem that you are facing, or whatever is like whatever chatter, whatever issues you are facing right now, they will start vanishing. So tune into yourself, in your own and within your energies. Cool. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.